All right, what's going on, guys? So I'm here in New Jersey. I've never fished here before, and it looks like a really good spot. Just got here and somebody already caught a striper. Look at that.
31. Another 31 on the board.
31 inches?
Yep.
Nice.
It's not even in the
So
water.
apparently everybody over here is using bunker chunks. And all I got is this diamond jig.
You got the wrong thing there, man. They ain't catching
Yeah,
on.
this all I got. This all I got. But
You should have just seen him. He got rigs and stuff in the car.
yeah.
Yeah, he sells rigs, bait. Let's go see him. He's going to the truck right now.
All right, let me see. Let's see what he got.
How you doing, Danny? Fishtail bait and tackle. We're catching stripers like crazy.
Yep, right here.
Carter, New Jersey.
I got my bunker, fresh bunker right here. Got my rig ready, my sinker. So let's see if we can catch anything tonight. Get set up right now. I think he said this is 6-0 if I'm not mistaken. All right. Oh, they got everything here. You got a place for you to cut up your bait. One thing about bunker is it smells friggin' terrible.
I don't know. You don't know what pound test that braid is.
I have
right?
no idea.
It just started Friday night here. We have to wait. We have to wait for them to come up the river. But we have Sea Warren just south of us, and then Perth Amboy right at the mouth of this river, or this whatever you want to call it. They call it the Arthur Kill or the Kill Van Cole. And,
That's okay. I've always heard about
yeah.
this body of water. Okay.
And Perth Amboy, they fish on both sides. They have piers that fish on the side that's coming up the river, and then they have people that fish on the side that's going up the Raritan River. So when they start hitting there, we know, all right, they're hitting over there. That means that they're starting to come up river.
Okay.
Then when it was Wednesday night, they were hitting in Perth Amboy. Thursday night, they were hitting in Sea Warren. And Friday night, we came here and got 5.
Okay. Oh, look like he got one down here.
He must have came back.
Tomas?
That's the one, Thomas.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, he's a nice one.
It's probably too dark to see.
Move back. Yeah. Got him. Yep.
Nice striper.
That's a keeper. That's a nice one too. Pull him out. Pull up a foot.
Nice striper.
Thomas, you're killing it, Thomas.
Fire! No, it doesn't, Thomas. It was.
That's right. Race, go that one.
Almost same size. A
Yeah.
little bit bigger, this one, a little bit.
He's not as big as I think.
And he swallowed it. Look where the hook is.
Yeah, he swallowed the
He
hook.
swallowed it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice size.
Córtalo, yeah, vamos para aquela allá.
Okay.
Telling you guys, the fishing in Jersey is
We're gonna
crazy.
do fish.
Right. Fish on.
This is a nice one.
Slowly, you got me, please.
Oh yeah, this is a nice one. This motherfucker wearing me out. Damn.
Yeah, what's going on? Everybody catching fish but me. I didn't come prepared. That's the problem. Yeah, that's a nice bass.
Pull. Watch the language. We're on YouTube.
Get the pedal.
I got. Oh, you got it. That's a nice fish. That is a nice
Wearing me
fish.
out, bro. I can't come up. Hey, Dash. Come here. I don't even see color yet. Whew. Nah. I can't. I can do this.
You're pulling
There he
2
is.
lines.
I see him.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Keep reeling.
He's
Keep
going
reeling.
down.
You got him.
Ooh.
He's seeing the light.
Ooh. The fighter.
You gotta walk back. Walk back. Walk back. Bring him. Walk back. Walk back. Bring him right in.
Walk, walk. Walk more. Walk more. Walk.
I gotta get him in through the back.
You keeper? Yeah, it is.
Oh, he got one on too, apparently. Oh wait, nope.
I got him.
You got him?
I got him. He's a keeper.
That is a
He's
nice
heavy.
bass.
Just watch the lines, because
That
I
is
got a
a
line
nice-
here.
Yeah, you got a lot of lines.
Wow.
30 and a half.
30 and a
All
half.
of them today are over 30.
And then the first one they caught was
Beautiful
26.
fish.
Yeah.
And yours, yeah.
Beautiful fish.
What did I say, 30 and a half?
Yeah, he's going bye-bye. He's going back.
You putting him back?
Of course. Everything deserved to live.
That's right. That's respectable right there. I like that. Dude just caught another striper, and I still haven't even gotten a hit yet. It's crazy. I didn't even get a hit yet. Another striper.
Y'all cheat.
What?
Y'all cheat.
We cheating? No, we told you. You didn't say. You were here last time and you said there is no fish here. And we told you there is. And you didn't. You didn't listen. What do you want us to do? What do you want us to do?
I didn't catch one fish. I didn't even get a hit, but it's all right. That happens sometimes. It's a lot of fish here. I don't know. You get skunked sometimes. It happens. But I'm definitely coming back out here. Some great fishing out here. I met some really cool people. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.